ever made a move in business that seemed genius at the time, but somehow blew up in your face? Let's talk about 10 classic smart business moves that can seriously backfire and why. First up, slashing prices to win market share. It sounds aggressive, but price was usually just drain your profits, cheapen your brand, and attract customers who'll ditch you for the next discount. Next, micromanaging to boost efficiency. I get it, control feels safe, but hovering stifles your team, kills morale, and slows everything down. How about expanding too quickly? Growth is exciting until you stretch your resources thin, quality drops, and chaos creeps in. Trust me, fast isn't always better. Cutting staff to save money, short-term gain, long-term pain. Fewer people can mean burnout, bad service, and losing your best knowledge. Obsessed with short-term metrics. Quarterly wins are nice, but ignoring long-term investments and customer loyalty can leave you with nothing to show down the road. Hiring only top talent sounds impressive, right? But it often means ego clashes, weak teamwork, and payroll headaches. Sometimes humility beats star power. Entering new markets without local insight. What works at home might flop abroad. Just ask companies who ignored cultural differences and paid the price. Outsourcing core competencies may cut costs now, but losing control over your core, that's a shortcut to mediocrity and brand damage. Relying on one big client feels stable until it isn't. When they leave, so does your leverage, and maybe your business. Finally, chasing every trend or shiny new tech. If it doesn't fit your strategy, you're just wasting money and confusing your customers. Remember, in business, the smart move isn't always the right one.